Hello and welcome to Polystitch channel. Today we are sewing a double-sided blanket from old jeans. Alright, let's begin. The size of the colored squares is 20 by 20 centimeters. The size of the denim squares is 15 by 15 centimeters. I was afraid that the denim I had would not be enough for me, so I also cut some old trousers, a skirt, and added remnants of a gray fabric. I decluttered my wardrobe and made some room in the closet for new outfits. I also cut squares from padding polyester. Earlier, I sewed a large patchwork quilt, and I still have a stencil to cut the quilts. I cut out this frame from cardboard. On the outside, there is a square of 20 by 20 centimeters, and on the inside it's 15 by 15. We put this stencil on the colored squares and outline the inner contour. Next, we put denim squares and padding polyester details together and sew them diagonally. Although I am sewing tight jeans, I came up with a completely new method of assembling a patchwork quilt. And with this method, the machine does not have to stitch through several layers. I will take care of my beautiful sewing machine. Overall, I cut 80 pieces. I sewed them and colored them like a garland. I did not cut the threads to save time. Now, we should lay the second diagonal line over each square and cut the threads between them. After that, I draw the layout plan. I counted the number of parts and numbered them. 80 pieces, 20 pieces of each color, and the same amount of denim squares. We will sew the details in accordance with the shim in vertical columns. First, we put parts 1 and 2 together and stitch along the inner contour at a distance of 2.5 centimeters from the edge. Then we attach and sew parts number 2 and 3. The next will be parts 3 and 4, so we sew to the end of the row. In accordance with the diagram, we attach the third row. While we sew, we don't break the threads, but collect the entire canvas at once. While I was sewing, I remembered a story from my life. One friend told me that she had heard how to properly wash jeans. That is, to spread them out on a flat surface, then lather with a brush, wipe well, then rinse under running water, and squeeze without twisting and dry flat. She did all this and hung these jeans on the balcony to dry. And at night, they were stolen. So girls, take care of your jeans. And this is how the workpiece looks now. Everything is held on the connecting threads. At the next stage, we begin to insulate our patchwork quilt by adding the warm denim patches. We will sew a double-sided blanket. We place the denim quilts inside each pocket so that they go inside the very contour that we have outlined. We bend the free edge of the colored part twice and stitch. We don't break the threads. The entire patchwork quilt is held on them. Continue placing the denim patches into the next detail. Sew calmly, without hassle. By this stitch, we fix this denim piece on the other side as well. We bend the colored part and continue stitching. I came up with all this technology myself, as it was convenient for me. Let me know in the comments if you like my idea and feel free to add yours. I have already sewn denim inserts into half of the blanket. Now look, all the denim pieces are in place. We just need to sew our blanket horizontally. So I made a connecting seam. After that, we freely unfold the parts and bend the edge of the colored parts twice and lay a line horizontally, like we did before. By this, we fix all the denim patches in place. Almost everything has already been sewn. We only need to sew a couple of seams with a double hem, like we were doing, and the piece is ready. Look what a luxurious blanket from old jeans I got. It's lightweight, and there is only one layer of denim, and everything is fixed well together. The blanket is already quilted. In addition, the blanket is double-sided. There is a pattern of shins, squares on the other side. The size of the blanket is 120 by 160 centimeters. So the experiment was a success. I hope you liked the idea. Please feel free to write comments and take a look at my other videos. For those of you who are not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on my new videos. Wish you all happiness, good luck, and endless creative flow. See you soon!